Oh no, look, it's all gone. Welcome to behind the scenes of shooting a Bare Roots Bushcraft YouTube video. Yep. So all the times you see Gary in these videos where he's walking past the camera, it's because he's walked all the way up there to set it up. Oh, here he comes.
Fantastic. I'm just making sure everything comes shot.
Off to go and get his camera. And this is exactly where me and Gary were last week. I'm going to be actually setting up my hammock today and hoping not fall out of it.
You go to the little woodland, and you've got the nice spot where we're going to go and set up the hammock and make a brew. But apparently in this woodland there's some caves and stuff. We've seen posts on holiday. Look at that.
Oh God, aye.
Man. Like a mountain sheep, isn't it?
Yeah.
There. Moon one man falling on the right. We had it with all the strong winds we've had recently over the first.
Out on this walk, and we've got that following us. I'm actually starting to think it's kind of tattered. Meh. It's not a dog, so I don't know why I did that. If I go this way now, then that'll push that sheep that way. Right. Go on. Come on, Florence. Yeah, and if you're in... Ooh! It's gonna get Gary. If you're impressed by last week's video about what's in my bag, wait till you see this week's. I should do something really comedy-wise with him filming in the background.
Oh wow. Now we'll get your hammock set up, Jamie.
Yeah, this is one thing I've never really done. Knots, I'm terrible at knots.
You'll be able to do this one. Everyone can do this one. So you tie your shoes.
Oh, okay.
You can do this one. If you can tie your shoes, you can do this one. Tie that like that. We'll have to just keep it, maybe readjust this because you don't know what's supposed to be.
Exactly, yeah.
That's one of the things that are a bit of a chew on with this system of setting up. We might have to redo that end as well.
Yeah,
but,
just to get it thought.
Yeah.
And then that's
back
when
over
you're
the
doing
tree.
it.
Yeah. Because then if you do it, my reckoning, if you do it this way, so your bore's on this side of the tree, when you put the weight in, that's pulling
It's pulling it that way, yeah. whereas if it was that way, pulling it and it couldn't.
That's what my thinking behind it is. So we'll just simple as it was.
I've had this since March.
This is the first time you've had all the bag.
Yeah.
And what we'll do now, I'll grab a camera and we'll see what bird you've got.
Right, let's get rid of the twigs underneath. You want to hurt myself? No, you know what I should have done? Should have had your set up. I should have seen how you get in. Yeah. Because I've never watched anyone get in on me before.
Do you want me to get in first?
Yeah, it was like. They sound filming that. That would have been me. See, straight away I would have thought you've done that on purpose there for me, aye. Thank you. So in theory this knot should work.
We've got Jamie just about to get in his hammock for his first
I
time.
haven't got a clue how you would. How would you?
That's it, you're in. You're going to get a bit of movement, but
That's quite smooth.
ideally you want the other side pulling a bit tighter. Or,
Right.
you know what I mean? 'Cause you're sloping down a little bit, as you can see that.
Ah, that's how you get.
What I'll do now
I'm
is,
confident here, mate.
that's the DD frontline hammock, isn't it? Yeah.
It is, it is.
Yeah. We'll set mine up now. This is the one I'm setting up. Is just going to be my hammock that I use for. Obviously, we haven't set the mozzie net up.
No, I'm lying on it.
But we can show them how to do that in a bit. Now we'll get my hammock set up.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's basically how mine's set up. We'll,
Test it out. Whee! So we're going to go for a first person view of getting into a hammock like that. Steady, 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 steady. Voila! And I'm in. I tell you what, right, first time being in a hammock and it's so comfy. The view I've got. Tell you what, Gary, you're a hell of a teacher. You're a hell of a teacher, mate. Couldn't recommend your channel enough.
right in line with the bottle though.
Aye, I tell you what, I know where that's landed as well. So as you've seen, I've got all that set up now. I've got my burner on. Now the only thing I'm missing is a pan and some food. So if you remember last time I was out with Gary doing a video last year, we happened to find some in some trees. Just go and looking. Oh wait, I hear something. Hear it? Can you hear it? Can you hear it? Oh, what do we have here? So there you go, it's the first time I'm going to actually cook something on my stove. Just put my towel there. Put some sausages in. Hammock set up in the background. Gary's hammock set up over there. Gary's got the brew on, the kettle on. Perfect. I was going to say, Gary, if you want a spoon, you just have to ask. Yippee! As I pointed out, big sign there, Jimmy's Kitchen.
About still flying over at the tree.
Oh, I don't know. There's like a clump
Yeah.
there. Not be obviously be not a nest for them like. Wait, there.
Yeah, there we are. Come back this way, you little rascals.
Oh, proper cosy. Oh. Obviously this net's supposed to be up like that. But I'm just so comfy, so cosy. Look at that. Blue sky.
Mr. Blue Sky.
It is. You just look at that view there, man. Perfect. I've had an amazing experience again with Gary. Actually, in my hammock, I'm so comfy I could fall asleep. I'm expecting him to pop out and try and give us a shock. He's probably climbed the tree and he's up there somewhere, but I don't know. Yeah, all I'm missing is actually quite there. Let's get a little bit more. It's more like it. So that's more like it. I'm comfy. Just need a sleeping bag. Top over the top. I tell you what, I can't stop smiling because this weekend's been perfect for doing stuff like this. A wimboa, a wimboa, a wimboa, a wimboa, a wimboa, a wimboa, a wimboa. He's gonna jump out on us. Just sense it. Where's he at? So obviously, as you can see, this is how we are. In the next bit of video you'll see, like weren't even here. And there you go. All gone. Doesn't even look like we've been here. It's having a nice walk back to the little car now. And that there's been another wild experience for me.